What's up, guys? It's your boy Crypto Colt, and I'm in Washington, D.C. And I'm going to be showing you how low the airplanes can get. Hey guys, I'm back, and there's another airplane. Let me try to see if you can see it. It's above. See it? Right there. Wait, where'd it go again? It's about to land, I think. Yep, I think. Yeah, it's about to land. Where are you? I forgot. Okay, where'd you go? Okay, it's coming. See it? Right there. It's really cool, isn't it? Okay, it's about to get closer. Okay, where is it? Oh, it's right there. See it? That black thing. Here, let me zoom in. There we go. It's coming. These things get super low, okay? So I'm going to zoom out and show you how low these get. See, it's right there. This is the airport right over there, okay? See it? Let me just zoom in real fast. Okay, so hear that? Sweet mother Jesus! Okay, it's going down. Let me zoom out. See how close that thing is? See how close? And he went skirt. Okay, guys, let me end it. Peace, subscribe, and comment.